Hey everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11 Lite, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's find the option called Notifications and Control Center. Now we have to scroll down and find the status bar, and as you can see right here at the very bottom of this section, we've got the battery indicator. So let's tap on it, and here we've got three different options, three different styles, let's say, from which we can choose. So right now we've got this option applied, and this is simply the battery indicator, but we can set the percentage inside the battery icon or outside, right next to the battery icon. So let me pick, for example, this option, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. So from now on, right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Of course, we can switch it also to this option if you want to. So actually, this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your Xiaomi 11 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.